So today we're gonna go over the new U.S. General tool cart in Arctic White. I just picked it up on Sunday. Today is Tuesday. I got it all set up yesterday. Put my snap-on screwdrivers, a 1/2 inch to 3/8 long extension. Got a pry bar, breaker bar, metric sockets. We got wobbles. We got impact. We got 3/8 chromes, 1/4 inch chromes, 1/4 inch wobbles. We got our snap-on wrenches. We got our 1/4 inch gun. We got our 1/2 inch gun, 3/8 gun, 1/4 inch and 3/8 ratchets. We got the mid-size sockets. Mac Tools battery charger. This is my inspection cart. Some gloves, stethoscope, AC glasses and safety glasses. Air chuck, hair blower extensions, pliers, and then this is all electrical, some soldering and connectors and heat shrink and stuff like that, and then just brakes down here. And that's it. Really nice cart. But I gotta say, Harbor Freight really stepped their game up. Toolbox is beautiful. Works just like I want it to. And it'll work as a nice little service cart for me. Get some stuff out of that guy and into here. So I got all this stuff off the shelf. All my tools that I had back here off the shelf into the big box. So I'm very happy with the cart. Really like it.